Subhanallah, in my first Hajj when I moved to study, we had a sheikh with us. And he said, pick up your Quran. I was like, okay, we picked up the Quran. He said, open anywhere. I was like, what is he going to teach me? And he said, put your finger on it. هذا كلام ربي. Put your finger on it and says, this is the words of my Lord. And every time I slack and I feel I don't have the relationship, something happened, I remember that advice. I opened it up, I don't even read. I just put my finger and says, هذا كلام ربي. This is the words of my Lord. And who's Allah? And this is his word. The second thing he said, he's talking to you. He said, in every verse in the Quran, Allah is talking to you, even if he's talking about the disbelievers. If he's talking about Bani Israel, the children of Israel. If he's talking about Qawm Ad, the people of Ad, or people of Lut, he's talking to you. He's talking to me. Whether do it or don't do it. Be like them or don't be like them.